went for the sprint, and then when I went for the sprint, I felt something. So I think it's a strain or a slight pull. And if I did another sprint, it would have gone. So I'm going to have to get rehab again.
Okay, how do you feel about this? We're moving to the next round, Phil.
Yeah, I mean, it's great. I mean, it's unfortunate we lost the 2 goals, especially the goal at the end. But I mean, we came here to do a job, and that's to get to the semi-finals, and we did that. So it's great for Philippine football and great for the Morocco spot, the other Morocco spot.
Good job, good job.
Thank you, thanks, Rick.
About this, very good. The next round. Again, we've set a high benchmark for other Filipino clubs to start coming into regional competition, so we're very happy with this victory. All right, good job. Good job. Eric, ano? Baptismo pa eh. Ano pakiramdam?
Hirap, coach.
You okay, buddy? Disappointed. I'm disappointed, but the team wins. I am disappointed by my performance. Don't worry, man. Whatever, man. You still did a good job, no matter what. Love you, brother. Love you, Rick. Yo, David, you're going to be back next round, right?
Yes,
Jake. Drop. Follow them. Rocky. Jake? Ano ba?
Yes.
Talk about your goal. What happened there?
Parang natulala din ako.
Pero rebound yun, di ba? Rebound.
Rebound.
Kita mo, di ba?
Kita ko talaga sa harap ko.
Ano pa kayo nagbabarin?
Saya. Parang hindi ko akalain makagol ako sa ganitong laro. Saya.
Good job. Yo, Cap. Good job, Cap.
Thanks, Rick.
How do you feel about this win? We're moving to the next round.
Awesome. I'm just glad with our performance. We really stuck in there. We didn't lose. We won 1-2-1. We're solid a bit under pressure, but we dug in deep and stuck there as a team and got the good result. And great to see the supporters there.
All right, go join them, man. Go join them. Good job, man. Good job. Birthday call almost. Mingo. Good job, man. Good job.
Thank you.
Hey, I want to shake your hand. I want to shake your hand, man.
Yeah!
You made a nice stop over there on the side. Parang nung huli, hirap tayo.
Hirap. We were pulling everything from inside. Buti lang we lasted 90 minutes. And we're on the way to the semis. Yeah!
Coach, excellent job in the midfield. Pero parang nung una, hirap na hirap tayo. Took us 9 minutes to get the ball across.
Yeah, they were playing very fast in the start, and then good thing we were able to control the first 20 minutes. I mean, hold on, please to say. And then we got them on the counter, we took our chances.
Coach, you nearly scored a goal there, eh? Pero medyo hindi mo nakuha yung touch mo dun, ah.
Practice. Have to practice.
Good job, Coach. Good job.
If I don't have a day job, I will be on the pitch practicing my shots.
Good job, Coach. Nevertheless. Coach Vince, congratulations.
Thank you.
Momentous win for the club, for the coaching staff. How do you feel about this, Coach?
Oh, we're so excited. Definitely coming into the game, we didn't want to be banking on the 2-goal lead, so it was nice that first half was good for us. Kind of shaky in the second half, but we came away with what we needed to do. We'll be back in October.
Coach, bakit nung first 8 minutes, hirap tayo, hindi natin matawid yung bola. What were they doing right and what were we doing wrong, Coach?
No, we were expecting that. No? They had to start strong. For them to get a hold of the game, they had to press the first 10 minutes. We were expecting that. We just couldn't settle down. We couldn't string some passes together. So just to keep the ball out of danger, we were whipping it to the other side until we had a chance to move the ball around. Then we settled down and things worked out.
Talk about your kid. Eric Giganto comes in late, very crucial substitution. He held his position. Talk about Eric, Coach.
Yeah, very happy for him. It was a good opportunity. He's a bright future ahead of him, and today I think didn't do too bad for the first game international.
All right, thanks, Coach. Good job again. Good job.